want to know what is derivative market? Do you want to know the difference between derivative market and equity market? Hi, I am Rudramurthy, author, trader and trainer, welcoming you to Rudralogy Financial Learning Series. What is a derivative market? As simple, I have with me a golden ring. I also have with me a rubber ring. Both are ring. Tell me which is more valuable? Yes, you are right. The gold ring whatever I have is worth 20,000. The rubber ring what I have is just worth 1 rupee. Why? When both are ring, you have more value for a gold ring compared to a rubber ring. I know you are smart guys. Now the value of gold is higher, so the value of gold ring is also higher, whereas the value of rubber is lower, thereby the value of rubber ring is also lower. Derivative is very similar to that. Derivative is a financial product whose value is derived from an underlying asset. For the gold ring, the underlying asset is gold, whereas for a rubber ring, the underlying asset is rubber. As gold price goes up, gold ring price also goes up. As rubber price makes a move up or down, the rubber ring price also makes a move up or down. The name says derivative has no independent value. They derive their value from an underlying asset. So simple is derivative. Let me tell you, similar to this is futures and option market, which are products in derivatives. Instead of gold ring and rubber ring, let us just see an example of Nifty futures. If Nifty in spot market goes up, similarly Nifty futures will go up. If Infosys in equity market goes up, Infosys futures will go up. So Infosys future is a derivative product, whereas Infosys is the underlying asset. As underlying asset goes up, the future value also goes up. Now I am sure you know how Nifty future, Infosys future, or for that matter derivative products are. Let me also tell you, similar to that is the concept even for commodity market. Now what happens in commodity market? You will have, instead of Nifty futures or let us say Infosys futures, you will have gold futures, silver futures. As the value of gold goes up, which is the commodity or the underlying asset, gold futures will also go up. Similarly, crude oil, silver, zinc, nickel and so on. Now currency market is also as simple and similar. If dollar value goes up against rupee, then dollar futures will start going up. So derivative, they derive their value from underlying asset. This underlying asset can be stock, it can be index, it can be commodities, it can be anything. I am so sure you now know what is a derivative market, commodity market and even currency market. Now why should we go to derivative market when we have the equity market? Answer is because of margin and leverage. Now what is this margin leverage? Too simple it is. If you are here in Rudralogy Financial Series and lot of learning what you are getting. In case of margin concept, when you buy Infosys share, you have to pay the full value of, let us say, 1000 rupee for one Infosys share. Whereas when you buy Infosys in future, you don't pay the full value, you pay only margin. Now let us assume Infosys margin in futures is 20%. Now what happens? If Infosys future is 1000 rupee, you don't pay full 1000 rupee to buy Infosys future, you only pay 20% of that, and that will be 1000 on the 20%, just 200. So with just 200 rupees margin, you are able to buy Infosys futures, whereas to buy Infosys in equity market, you have to pay the full price of 1000 rupees. So by paying lesser money, you are able to participate with a higher value product which derivative gives you because of margin. And now because of this margin, you are getting something called leverage, because you are not paying entire 100% of its value. Even though the value is 1000 rupee, you only pay 20% margin and pay only 200 rupees. Now if Infosys goes up, Infosys futures will also go up. If Infosys comes down, Infosys futures will also come down. In fact, you can make more money in derivative market, because with small margin you are able to take big position. But however, if you are on the wrong side, then you will also lose more because of margin and leverage. We will learn in detail about margin, leverage, and lot more things to come in future, and equip yourself with the right knowledge through Rudralogy Financial Series. See you all with more learning and more inputs in this Rudralogy Financial Series. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.